Hi guys, we're doing declutter number 2 and this is all of my lip products. I have lip liners, lipsticks as well as lip glosses, and I have them in these acrylic containers that I bought from HomeStop. They are quite sturdy, very nice, and it's the perfect size for my collection. So now let's get started. So the way I've divided them up is, this is my everyday natural lip products. So I have my neutral lip colors, lipsticks, as well as some lip balms, etc. And this drawer has all of my deeper shades, all my reds and maroons, and I have all of my lip liners in this drawer because I have a few dark shades, so I have plenty of space for extra stuff. So let's get started with this drawer first. Let's do lip glosses. So these are all of my lip glosses. Let's start off with the one that's speaking right here. This is the ColourPop So Juicy Lip Gloss. This is in the shade Dress Code. This is a really pretty rosy toned gloss. It's not highly pigmented. It just has a hint of color to it. It's super shiny. I wish the pigment was a little more well distributed. Like when you look in the tube, it looks like it's very even. But when you actually put it on your lips, there are like some bits of it which are deeper and some parts where it's more sheer. So I just wish it was a little more uniform, but then it's highly glossy. I love that. It has a slight minty texture and it's a little bit sticky, but that makes it a little more long lasting. So I like this one. Next up is this Isadora multivitamin lip gloss. I cannot see the shade, but this is a beautiful color. The formula is lovely. This gives me really glossy acrylic looking lips. It's beautiful. I don't think Isadora makes this anymore. I haven't seen it on any site, but let me check. Next up is this NYX Butter Gloss, and this is in the shade Praline. Again, I don't think they make this shade anymore. I don't know why they discontinue products that are awesome, but this is a beautiful color. The color is a little different from the previous two ones. This one is a little more neutral. It's a little brown toned. I love the formula. The smell is amazing. It smells exactly like cookie batter. This next one is again a NYX Butter Gloss. This is in the shade Ginger Snap. This one, as you can see, is a lot darker. It's more brown, cool brown, and this is definitely a statement lip gloss. You can definitely see the color on your lips. You can't just wear it anywhere. Same formula, lovely texture, and pretty long lasting for a lip gloss. Next up is this Fenty lip gloss. This is the Gloss Bomb, the original that Fenty Beauty came out with. This is not very pigmented gloss. It has a lot of shimmer to it, and it makes your lips really full looking without, making it too uncomfortable. By the way, all of these previous 4 glosses that I swatched here do not have any glitter. They are a completely clear gloss, whereas this one has a bit of shimmer. I don't know if you can see that, but this is very lightly tinted. So if you like something that acts more like a topper that you can put on any lip color, then this is the perfect one. You can also wear it on its own. These 2 lip glosses are from MAC. This is the Lip Glass in the shade Prancing Dancing, and this one is the shade Spite. The Dazzle Glass has a lot of shimmer running through it. It's a nice color. It's not very pigmented, so you can wear it on any lip color that you prefer. It's more of a lip topper, whereas Spite is more of a cool toned brown. It looks a lot like gray on the lips. It's a really strange color. I have no idea what I was thinking when I bought it, but I really don't like these glosses, and I think I will declutter both of them because I have other products in my collection that I enjoy so much more. This one is from Bare Minerals. This is a beautiful lip gloss. This is in the shade Hype. It's more a lip lacquer than a lip gloss. It's a beautiful warm brown, and it looks so good on medium and deep skin tones. It's a really good nude if you like a glossy nude. Next is this lipstick from Chamber. This is in the shade Indian Fusion number 164. Well loved lipstick. You can see by the amount I've used it. This is a beautiful warm rosy toned brown. It's absolutely stunning. If you haven't found a good nude for yourself, if you are medium or deep skin tone, this one definitely is the way to go. This lipstick from MAC in the shade On Hold is a shimmery peach with some golden shimmer running through it. wear it more like a stain than an actual lipstick, because when I put this on very thick on my lips, I find that it's a little too much. It gives me kind of an 80s vibe. This here is the Body Shop Lip and Cheek Stick. On the lips it's still fine, but on the cheeks it feels really uncomfortable to use. You have to pull it across your cheeks. It's not at all comfortable, and it's quite balmy like, so it's good for the lips, but on the cheeks it feels a little sticky and weird. So this I am getting rid of as well. These two lipsticks are very similar in shade. This one is from Melt. This is in the shade Mum. It's a yellow toned brown, and I know these colors are very popular. They are really trending right now. And this lipstick is from Dose of Colors. This is in the shade Aftermath. This is in collaboration with two YouTubers, Desi Perkins and Luster Lux. You just put a second coat of this and you can then truly see this color. So the Dose of Colors one is a lot deeper than this one from Melt, but the formula of Melt is quite drying. It's a really matte lipstick. They are pretty similar colors in the sense that they are the yellow browns, and since this one is more wearable, I don't see the point of keeping another that is so similar. So this I am decluttering. Next up is this lipstick from Isadora. This is in the shade Rosewood. This is the shade right here. More than the color, I love the formula. It has a really beautiful cushiony texture that feels so light on the lips, but it's still so long lasting, and it feels more like a lip balm than a lipstick. I wish there were more nude colors because I wear more nudes during my everyday life. By the way, the name of this lipstick is the Lip Desire Sculpting Lipstick. This is a liquid lipstick from Ofra. This is in the shade Mocha. This is again a rosy nude. Really comfortable formula for a liquid lipstick. If you love liquid lipsticks but you were always afraid of how drying they are, this formula is definitely one to try. Next up is a Colourpop Blotted Lip. I don't think they make this anymore. This is in the shade Bee's Knees, and it is this shade right here. Since it's a blotted lip, it is very faintly pigmented. Of course, you can build it up by putting multiple layers on, but just a single layer gives you a very light finish. It's a pity you can't get this anymore, but all the more reason to keep it. And finally, this is a lip balm from Dr. Lip. I bought this on beautybay.com. It's a completely clear lip balm. It's here. It's quite thick and sticky and extremely nourishing. So now that winter is here, this kind of lip balm will really go a long way. Moving to my deeper drawer. So the first lipstick here is the MAC lipstick in Diva. This is a beautiful matte. It's perfect for evening parties, and it's quite a statement lipstick. The formula is lovely. It's super long lasting, and I'm definitely keeping this one. A similar shade but a more creamy moisturizing formula is from Clinique. This is in Cola Pop, and this is a really beautiful brown. It's really good for the winters when, you know, your face is completely lifeless and you just want to liven it up. This is a beautiful color, and the formula is absolutely lovely. This is another lip and cheek stick from the Body Shop. This is in number 40. Oh, there you go. This is a really good deep red, which you can wear sheer as well as built up for a really opaque look. But love this color for just bringing some life onto your cheeks and well as your lips. This here is a Dior lipstick. This is in the shade Lucky, number 536. Definitely one of the splurges that I have made, but it's a really nourishing formula. It's quite pigmented for a lipstick that is so glossy. It stains the lips a little bit, but it's a beautiful color. This here is a Lancome lipstick. This is one of the shakers. This is a matte shaker in number 378 called Pink Power, and it has a puff applicator. A few more liquid lipsticks. This is from Melt Cosmetics. It's a gorgeous maroon, and the formula is quite comfortable. But look at that shade. I know a deep red is a lot of people's favorite, and if you are looking for one, this is a really gorgeous shade to try. This is another liquid lipstick. It's similar in color, but this has a more golden sheen, and this is from Kat Von D, and this is in the shade Nosferatu. It's a tad deeper than the Melt lipstick. And the last lipstick here is from Sugar, and this is their Matte as Hell crayon lipstick in the shade Cherry Darling. It's number 10. Superbly pigmented matte formula. This is really beautiful. I really like these sticks, and they are really comfortable and easy to use because you can sharpen them, really make that tip sharp so that you get a very precise application. This is the Sephora Wonderful Cushion Lip Cream. There was a puff on the top which I removed because it was getting really gross. But the color is a very pretty deep pink. I have kept this lipstick around because of this color. I absolutely love the color. The formula is not great. I find that it builds on itself, and when it wears away really badly, like patches of lipstick are gone from your lips. But look at that color. It's such a unique color. I've never seen a lipstick in this exact shade. Now for my lip liners. This is a lip liner from Melt. I got it with the Dead Cherry lipstick set. This is in Ambrosia. And this is a really pretty deep red. It goes with all of these lipsticks. This is another red lip liner from Color Bar, and this one's a little drying. Like, I find that it tugs on my lips. But if you are looking for a red lip liner, I know sometimes deep reds are a little hard to find. This one is a really good shade. And here are my shampoo lip liners. Absolutely love them. These are perfect to wear as lipstick, and this is probably my favorite color of them all. And this other one is in the shade BR03. This is a much deeper brown, and I like this to wear on its own when I do want to make a statement. This is another favorite brown of mine. This is from Colourpop. This is in the shade Taurus, and this is a proper milk chocolate brown. Comfortable formula. Again, you can wear as a lipstick. We're almost done. This is a lip liner from Kiko. This is in the number 316. It's a beautiful purple toned pink. Kiko lip liners are really beautiful and long lasting. I love this one. The creamy color ones, these are super comfortable to wear, and they come in so many different colors. Last up is this lip liner from NYX. This is in the shade Ever. It is SPL 828. It is this really peachy brown. I find that this lip liner is also really good underneath all of my nude lip glosses. Those for all of my lipsticks, lip liners and lip glosses. This is truly what I love and what I use. So I hope you enjoyed it, guys, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought of this in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you again in my next video. Bye guys.